Imagine AI that doesn't just talk, but shows you exactly what it means. Today, we're diving into how you can harness the power of Sora AI within ChatGPT to create truly immersive and dynamic conversations. This integration transforms simple text exchanges into rich, visual dialogues, opening up a world of possibilities. The first step is understanding the connection. Sora AI, a groundbreaking tool for AI-generated video, can be linked to your ChatGPT environment. Think of it as giving your chatbot superpowered visual imagination. To begin, you'll need to ensure you have access to both ChatGPT and the Sora integration. This often involves navigating to your account settings or a dedicated integration marketplace within your ChatGPT platform. Look for an option to connect or enable external AI tools. Once connected, the magic happens within your regular ChatGPT prompts. Instead of just asking for information, you'll be able to instruct Sora directly through your conversational input. For instance, if you're exploring a story idea, you can prompt ChatGPT to not only describe a scene, but also tell Sora to create a visual representation. You might ask for a specific mood, style, or action, and ChatGPT will pass this to Sora for generation. As you converse, ChatGPT will interpret your visual requests and seamlessly send them to Sora. You'll then see the generated video clips appear directly within your chat interface, accompanying the text response. This integration is a game-changer for brainstorming, content creation, education, and so much more. It allows for unprecedented clarity and engagement, making your AI interactions more intuitive and impactful. Start experimenting with Sora and ChatGPT today and unlock a new era of iPod communication.